Hello friends, in this video I show you very useful iPhone tricks. Okay, let's see. I show you. First you open setting and scroll down, and here have option accessibility. Click here and scroll down. Here have option guided access. Click here on this setting and click to back. And here you see accessibility shortcut. Click here. Here have option magnifier. Click here and click to back. So now all setting finish ready. And here you see have power button. This power button you 3 time press. 1 second 3 time press. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.